The Noodle King has arrived, shaking up Las Vegas with bold flavor. Noodle King warmly invites you to experience an unforgettable Eastern culinary feast. In the heart of Las Vegas, the city that never sleeps, there's a place where the lights don't shine for casino tables. They shine for a bowl of food so unforgettable it lingers in your memory long after the last bite. Welcome to Noodle King, located at 6820 W Sahara Ave, a premium noodle destination created for people who truly love great food. Every dish tells a story. The moment you step into Noodle King, the rich aroma of freshly prepared dishes instantly pulls you in. In the kitchen, slow-simmered broths bubble for hours while carefully selected fresh ingredients await the chef's magic touch. We believe great food begins with great ingredients. That's why we hand-select premium ingredients every single day, never cutting corners, never compromising on quality. Signature dishes that steal the spotlight. Pork knuckle combo. Tender, rich, and packed with flavor. Our braised pork knuckle melts in your mouth with its silky texture and collagen-rich goodness, a perfect blend of northern boldness and southern delicacy. Beef rib combo made from premium beef rib meat and slow braised for hours. Every bite is infused with deep, savory flavor and juicy tenderness that keeps you coming back for more. Pork intestine combo. For true food lovers, this dish is both adventurous and rewarding. Thoroughly cleaned and expertly prepared, the texture is soft yet satisfyingly chewy, paired with our signature sauce for an unforgettable flavor experience. Shrimp. Mixed noodles. Plump, juicy shrimp meets springy handmade noodles, all coated in a rich house-made sauce. Every bite delivers the perfect balance of ocean freshness and hearty comfort. Duck combo. Crispy skin, tender meat, and irresistible aroma make this one of our most beloved classics. Chicken leg combo. Golden and crispy on the outside, juicy and tender inside, served with seasonal vegetables and fragrant rice for a balanced and satisfying meal everyone can enjoy. Beef rib noodle soup. A deeply flavorful broth simmered from beef bones forms the base of this comforting bowl. Tender ribs fall right off the bone while the noodles soak up every drop of rich marrow flavor. Beef rib combo. Pork rib combo. Two rib specialties, each with its own personality. Beef ribs offer bold, hearty richness, while pork ribs bring a sweeter, more delicate flavor. No matter your preference, there's a perfect plate waiting for you. Only $18. What an incredible value for an amazing meal. Even better, all of these combo meals are only $18 each. In a city where dining can be expensive, Noodle King delivers generous portions, premium flavors, and beautifully prepared meals at a price that feels almost unbelievable. Fresh vegetables, fragrant rice, and hearty entrees come together in every combo. This isn't just a meal, it's comfort, satisfaction, and care served on a plate. Michelin-level passion at everyday prices. At Noodle King, we stand by three promises: daily selection of premium ingredients, authentic Eastern recipes and traditions, Michelin-inspired craftsmanship and passion in every dish. We're not just serving food. We're sharing the warmth, culture, and soul of authentic Eastern cuisine through every bowl and every plate. Location: 6820 W Sahara Ave. Suite 7, Las Vegas, NV 89146. Whether you're visiting Las Vegas for the first time or you've called this city home for years, the doors of Noodle King are always open for you. Come for more than just a meal. Come reward yourself with something truly special. Noodle King is waiting for you.